Hello everyone, I am here again Sumitra. Today I am going to show 3 green leaves chicken pulao. We have eaten different varieties of biryani pulao made with chicken. This is a different one which is made with grinding of 3 types of greens, that is pudina, coriander and curry patta. You have to take 2 bunches of pudina, 1 big bunch of coriander and 2 bunches of curry patta, and then with 2 chilies, green chilies, you have to grind it into a paste. And then let's see the other ingredients needed for the pulao. These are the ingredients needed. I have taken 400 grams of rice. You have to take 2 onions which should be cut into big pieces, a very big tomato or else 2 small tomatoes cut into half, 1 lemon, and this is 700 grams of chicken and 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, that is saunf powder. And then we'll start doing now. This is the paste which I have made grinding these 3 types of greens, that is pudina, dhania and curry patta. Pudina 2 bunches, coriander 2 bunches and curry patta 2 bunches. Equally you have to grind it with 2 green chilies and it will come this way. This is the consistency. This is the paste when with green chili and all these 3 greens. I have grinded it and this is the paste. This consistency it should be. I have put the pressure cooker. Now it's already hot. Now we'll add oil. You can add any oil you like. You can add ghee also. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. When it's completely hot, we will add the onions. See, the onions have changed the color, it's become light pink. Now we will add the chicken pieces. I forgot to tell you, we have to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I am adding that. After adding the chicken, add the ginger garlic paste and fry for at least 10 minutes. This pulao is very tasty. You can make once and see it tastes different from the other pulaos and biryani. I have fried for 10 minutes and the smell of ginger garlic paste is good now. So now I'll add, first we'll add the rice. Then we'll add this paste. Then this fennel powder. Then the tomatoes. Then salt. Salt according to your taste. Then water. I have taken rice in this bowl. I have taken this measurement. We'll add 2 water. 1 rice, 2 water measurement. Then we'll add 1 lime juice. Mix it nicely. Now in this pulao you need not add turmeric powder or haldi powder or any other masala, and garam masala also you will not add. Whatever I have added, that is enough. You will add water, add all the other ingredients and put it on pressure for 2 whistles. After 2 pressures, the pressure is released. Now I am going to open and let's see how it has come out. Now we will serve it in a plate. 3 green beans chicken pulao is ready. You can make this with mutton also. It will taste very good in mutton. Because I don't have mutton today, I have made it with chicken. Chicken also it tastes good. Just try the recipe, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel.